Even though it's redesigned for 2020, the Kia Soul keeps its boxy shape as well as the blend of style and practicality it's known for. Underneath, however, the Soul rides on an all-new platform and gets a new engine and transmission combination. An EV model also returns. The rear wraparound lights are the centerpiece of the new design. The new X-Line version offers rugged-looking exterior trim, but doesn't come with all-wheel drive. We think the current Soul could use a little more cargo space, and the new model addresses that with a wider tailgate and 5 more cubic feet of storage in the back. Kia also replaced the Soul's underwhelming base powertrain with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and continuously variable transmission. We really hope that they improve fuel economy and acceleration, both of which were lacking in our tests. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, but unfortunately, advanced safety systems like automatic emergency braking are optional. We've always thought the Soul's size and proportions make it a fun and frugal alternative to a compact SUV, and the new model appears to be no exception. We're looking forward to buying and testing our own to see if Kia fixed some of the issues that we had with the current model. For more on compact cars and SUVs, head to consumerreports.org.